Hey guys, it's Alpha and Omega, and this is my bike. I got Odyssey and Ross grips on it. They're badass. I got Haro stem. I got all these. This Eastern Dragon frame. Pusher BMX sticker. I got, oh, you can see the Eastern sticker right there. I got Haro pedals, kind of dirty. And I don't know what cranks these are. I scratched this one. Oh shit. And I got this bag hub right here. It's badass. I like it. And I need to get a hub guard because I've been grinding on this rail, and I don't want to fuck up my hub. I got this Eastern, or this yeah, I think it's Eastern sprocket. Pretty small. I like it. And pretty much it. I think these are like Kenda tires. I like them too. I don't really got a good seat, but there's my bike. Yep. I'll make a how to grind on a BMX tomorrow. So, yep. Subscribe, like, do whatever you want. And peace out.